G'day everybody, welcome to another week. Sorry I wasn't there yesterday with my analysis to kick your week off. I've actually been struggling with a bit of a cold and I felt a bit better today, so I thought may as well get in here and make up for yesterday. So my apologies for that. I hope you are not in bad health. I'm not in bad health. I am fine. Just, you get kids and they come home and you just get sick all the time. For me, this time of year, it's winter. Beginning of winter. So anyway, I'll quit waffling on. The markets are looking pretty damn good. I am thinking that we're going to see a new all-time high this week for Bitcoin. And why is that? Well, let's have a look at a couple of things, because I've got a couple of things that I want to show you. Why are you showing me that? Okay, let's throw this puppy up. Now, you know how last week I was saying we might see a bit of a pullback. Well, we did see a bit of a pullback. We also said last week that we were in a daily downtrend, because last week we were in a daily downtrend. Lower high, lower low, another lower high to a lower low. So we had two cycles pushing through. I didn't think it was going to be a big pullback, and it turned out that I was right, and it wasn't. I did find some short trades. I got a short on HBAR, which ended up, I got my first target, then I got taken out. So that ended up being break even. And the other one that I took short, all this was in my Discord community too, by the way, so I'm not just pulling on the side of my backside. The other one was ARK. And I did take, I think it was about 1.5 to 1 all out. So I split the trade across two and I made profit to the short side. All the while still running my long on Hype, which is over 10,000 US in profit from a $500 risk. True story. And I'm still long Quant from this little bullish candle back here with my stop here now. And I'm going to show that to you in just a minute because there's a trade that I'm stalking. But ultimately, the market did pull back and then we saw a nice big bounce. Yesterday's candle of 4.3%. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The weekly, let's have a look at the weekly. We pulled back in, not a huge pullback. It doesn't need to be a huge pullback. We did see, breathing out. What do you, people go, oh, it's the market, the sky is falling. Do you breathe in or do you breathe out? You do both, and so do healthy markets. For us to be healthy, we have to breathe in and breathe out. For markets to be healthy, they have to breathe in and breathe out, which is up and pull back. A short, shallow pullback after achieving some all-time highs was necessary, and it makes the trend stronger. A clear higher low here back into that cradle zone for Bitcoin. And the best thing about it as well is that if we do break the high of this candle of 111,000, call it 112,000, we break up through 112,000, we will have our weekly in an uptrend. And we haven't had a weekly uptrend since, going back as far as where is it? January. Okay. Feels like a lot longer than that. Mind you, we are 6 months. Jesus, we are in June. January was a long time ago. It's half a year ago. Wow, where'd the year go? Anyway, we're back into an uptrend if we take out this high. That also bodes really well because look at the monthly. We've spoken about this a lot. The pullback, the move. I wouldn't be surprised at all. And I won't say expecting, but I wouldn't be surprised. And I'm hopeful to see, this candle be a damn sight bigger and greener than what it currently is now for the month of June. Now, I have been wrong before, and I will be wrong again, believe it or not. But the way everything's shaping up and the way that the market's talking to me, it looks fantastic. So what am I looking at now? Well, I'm looking for this to continue. It's as simple as that. I want to see us break up through 111 and take out all-time highs and pick up some momentum. As far as the rest of the market's concerned, well, I will tell you right now, when I have a look across my full scan this morning with my Discord community, what I was noticing was this. Let me show you a couple of examples when I can find a couple. There was a heap of charts in the alt markets that have a higher low and have not pushed to a higher high yet. This one deep, there's a higher low here, higher high. It's a daily uptrend now. A lot of other markets, now that I said that, it's bloody making a liar out of me. A lot of markets looking like this, higher low. We've got to break up through this point here to get us daily higher high. A lot of charts, dog here as well. Break up through this level, we're in an uptrend. A number of charts also have already done that. Now, why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because when the market when the market is trending and doing very similar things across the board, we get the best trends. When the market's doing that, we get alt runs, we get great trading conditions, and we get the profit big time, okay? At the moment, you got to be very selective with what you're trading to get your money out of it. Well, even a turkey flies in a hurricane. If everything's going up, it becomes a lot easier for everybody to do really, really well, and I want that abundance for everybody. The market right now, the alt market, lots of higher lows, lots of daily trends just starting to be bullish, be uptrends on the daily with a higher low and a higher high, but even more than are not quite there yet. God damn it, we get a couple more days of upward momentum and we're looking very, very, very strong indeed. Bitcoin dominance last week, what did it do? Well, bugger all really, up 1.14%. It did set a higher low, it did set a higher high, but very, very sideways. And the total market cap looking rather tasty as well, having rejected those lows at 3.1 trillion. I'd like to see it above 3.5, putting us back into a weekly uptrend. So across the market, looking really, really strong. Am I thinking we're going higher? Yes, I am. That's what the market is telling me. Now, as far as the trading opportunity goes, let me show you one right now. Now, if you know my strategies, you'll know exactly what you're looking at here. If you don't, well, then you've got to ask yourself how long it's going to take you till you actually do get involved, because I teach you how to trade, I post the trades in Discord, I do live market scans, and we all will do really well together. But here we go. I'm looking at this candle right here, 52 minutes to go. If that candle closes small and bullish like that, my entry will be, and I'll just tell you right now, if it is to stay as it is, would be there, and my stop loss would be underneath whatever the lowest price is here. I'd look for a 1-to-1 first target and let the thing run. Simple as that. It's a cradle trade, and that trade would be exactly the same name and title and strategy as the one that I got in on the daily about a week and a half ago over here. So there you go. Just thought I'd give you a little trading opportunity or a little trading option. Again, come and join me. Jump into my community. Let's get going. Markets are looking really, really good. Bitcoin, I think we'll see new all-time highs this week. We've got a lot of those daily alts going into uptrends. Things are looking primed. Things are looking positive. And there's still a lot of positivity going on in the background fundamentally to go with these charts as well. Anyway, I've spoken for too long. You have yourself an absolute ripper week. Follow me at Trader Cobb, COBB on X, but go to the growmeco.com. And if you're not on the free newsletter, at least get on that free newsletter now. Have a good week, guys. Bye for now.